Yeah, massive big up and respect, you know, thank you for joining. Right about now, this is not normal, none at all, you understand? Because right now, I'm still there in them yard. You understand? No joke thing, I'm walking at them place like I'm yard. Look good now, man. You understand? A foreign middle, look good now, man. So right about now, we're actually there in a Brooklyn, you understand? And yes, so called Atlantic Avenue, you understand? So for you see the title, you know what time is it. See, let me get my gloves. Look good now, man. We get the gloves, you know. The G say you can't walk around. And I say your hand them cool. So we get the gloves. Respect and manners anyway you're there. You see me, I say, look good. So we have the gloves right now and them warm and baby down. The place cool like ice. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So massive, we're going to walk the Brooklyn Bridge. But I always want to walk over one of the massive bridges here. But you see this one is more festive. This one is actually on the side where it is a lot of persons walking over the bridge. People are self on the bridge. You can see the car, them are going to walk over the sea, the ocean, the lake, whatever you call it. You know the thing about me in a phone place. I don't know if you tell me. So massive, yeah, we're at Brooklyn, downtown Brooklyn. Look good. It's beautiful. You understand? And we're going to walk this direction and then we're going to take that left and we're going to walk straight to the Brooklyn Bridge to show you exactly what the Brooklyn Bridge looks like in 2023. So massive. If you have watched so far and you don't like the video yet, please me beg you, give it a thumbs up. You see that button here? We still like that thumb here? Yeah. More you give it that video a thumbs up right there so. And if you know about them places, please me ask if you start drop a comment right about now. Start drop them comment there. If I hear a place me in if you ever walk over the Brooklyn Bridge, please me beg you now, drop some comment and like the video. No joke, no doubt. So it's not a narrating video, we just go walk. If we see anybody we can talk to, we are going to talk to because guess what? Me in them place like I'm yard. Look good now, man. Figure that. Look at me. Lord have mercy. Look how me clean. Place cool like a ice. Me ready for them. 3 shirt, jacket, and sit up. A joke thing. Watch me now, man. So let's do this and we're gonna go that way. You hear that? So yeah. Mad thing. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, do me a beg you subscribe to the channel. Look good now, man. Downtown. So we're ready for the road. And let's go. Yeah. So big up my virgin 10th floor every time. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Anyway, you're there 10th floor, big up yourself. You see me? So we're gonna do it like this. So right about now, I'm always telling you, it's not a narrating video. We don't do narrating videos, but if I can put the street sign and stuff on the places that I am, I will do that. Or to make it easier, if I see the sign of the road, I'm going to video the sign of the road so that make post-production way more easier. You understand? Yeah. So that is it. So once we see a sign, I'm going to video it so you can have an idea where I am and all of them things. So we're going to walk the entire Brooklyn Bridge. So massive, make sure so you get to no juice, get to no food. Line up now, man. We're ready. Get to no juice, get the beer and sit down. Because if you don't know how foreign look, watch the video here. If you never see how the Brooklyn Bridge look or seen somebody walking over the Brooklyn Bridge, and this is the video for you. You understand? We're going to do this. Make we talking at the premiere. You know we are walk through them place, so we're going to video the nice, beautiful ladies them if we see them where. You understand? And all the G them too. We not left out the G them. If we are past the G them, we're going to video G them or ask them for them Instagram too. So maybe if a nice lady up on the channel see one nice young man where you like, you can maybe message him, you know? And it goes vice versa for everybody. It's a free world, free speech. See? Yeah. Yeah, Latin. Beautiful. Yeah. So I make you not see exactly where we're there. And we just walk through. Alright, so for some of them, I go pause sometimes so I can get a really good look of the place. So we can just move slowly and surely. We're going through. See me? All I massive well love foreign and I like the look of it. Let me go over and show, you know? Yeah, man. It's beautiful. Let's go. Alright, so massive, this is the courthouse. And that's a massive, massive building. Massive. Alright. Get some of the sign them food, huh? Yeah. Wanna deal with my people, wanna deal with blessed love to everybody who join in right here now. Big up to everybody who jump in our premiere right here now. Orion, Freestyle Adventure, big up yourself, you don't know. Ricky Webster, big up yourself. Marvin Sinclair, big up yourself. Julie in the Kitchen, big up yourself. Jason and Gina, you don't know. Barry Walking Exercise. As the video tours, big up yourself, no joke, no doubt. Belly, big up yourself, Belly. Alright, look which out with there. We're there, Livingston Street. See the sign there. Alright. Yeah, massive. Look good now, man. I take a look at time and go through massive as we make our way straight to the Brooklyn Bridge. This is it. Look good. Yeah. Massive them a building there now. When you look up on them, you have to break your neck back way. You have to break back your neck to see up at the top. Beautiful. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. We in a them place like a yard. I love your tattoos. We're going through. Ruff, ruff. Look good, massive. You have to carry your neck way back. I still can't see it up. Oh, God. Nice.
They put a boot on the car now. The first 3 days you have the boot is $10. Every day after that is $15. Yeah, nah, you see what I'm saying? Now if exactly, so how the fuck are you charging $85? And the cost of living is half of it down here, man. So this is what I'm thinking, like, so anybody that get their car towed, if they can't afford to get their car back, the rent is $400 a month, my nigga. So you tell me in a week you can pay your rent a week just to get your car back? That is crazy, son. I want to shut it down.
Yeah. Yeah, massive. A lot of persons been telling me, say, this is just good weather, normal weather, this is nothing. And massive, if you never understand how cool maybe, and people tell me, say, this is normal weather. No, sir. It's not normal over here. So we're going to the Brooklyn Bridge, massive. We want to walk the entire Brooklyn Bridge. It is not far from here, it's just a little bit of a walk. Because you know we have to get a good park, which we can actually park for the entire time. So the Brooklyn Bridge is actually that direction there. We're not far away from it at all. So just enjoy the walk, enjoy the look cool and thing. Yeah, big up some guy in Toronto. Big up yourself, my virgin. No joke, no doubt. Big up Miss Elizabeth. You got that? What you mean? So massive walk go on. Wanna up to? Drop some link in the description to all our persons that we are promoting YouTube video. Each one help one. Drop the link them so we can all help each other. See? Yeah man, drop the link them. Yeah. Hope everybody day, everybody night are going good. And it's just a vibe. Yes, massive. So anybody inside of the premiere has ever walked over the Brooklyn Bridge? Make we start the conversation like that. Anybody has ever walked the entire Brooklyn Bridge right now in the premiere? Right now who are watching video, if you watch a video and you walk the Brooklyn Bridge before, what was your experience? Tell me, what was your experience? If you ever walk it before. Because I have no idea what to expect. I was just driving over it a while ago and actually saw a person selling, bunch of stuff like that, a lot of people walking over it. So, what's your experience? Yeah. You know, no fun must say I wonder say him not gone home yet. Tan, oh you not reach back at Jamaica yet. Foreign sweet. Oh you mean? Okay, bird them a eat together. Yeah. Nice. What time for walk? Yeah. Beautiful, massive. So nice. Some people actually love their job. You have some people who really don't love their job. You know, we just give a lady a nice wave and she just wave. Nice. Alright, we're going to try that one now. No, it's a youth this. Yeah, I still can give him a year. Yeah, my teacher. Yeah, fam. Yeah. Alright, so 2 seconds left, rocks, don't make a run it. Alright. Yeah, so I will go this way. We're gonna go straight in this direction here. As soon as it's our time to cross. Look good now, man. The beauty of foreign. Get Latin. Yeah. Our time for walk. Look like we have to do that one fast. Beautiful, massive. So all I can see right now is just with the downtown Brooklyn. You understand? Beautiful. Massive infrastructures and things. Yeah, man. No doubt, no joke. Yeah. So this is actually where we're at right now. Yeah. Morning, sir.
Morning.
Blessed, I'm great, man. Yeah. My personal experience with the officers over here, I think them really nice, you know? I think them really nice because guess what? Every single one of them when me I walk past and I say, morning or bless up, them polite and I can see it from the other videos too. Where me talk to other police and so in the train station and all them things. I think them really cool. Because sometimes when I watch out certain videos them, with certain things happening, I'm asking myself, these guys want to die or something, these guys want to be unalive or something, why don't you just cooperate, you know? Yeah, look good. Let me see something right here. See? The Brooklyn Bridge coming up. No joke. So persons actually ride them bicycle and scooter. This is the bicycle or scooter lane, this right here, to go to the Brooklyn Bridge. And the pedestrian walk on this side right here. Bicycle, scooter over there, pedestrian over here. Go. Don't be afraid to pass, you know, you can pass, all right? All right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. Big up. Your hands must be cold. I don't used to it.
You're not used to it.
No, it's my first time wearing our gloves and it still feels cold. Yeah.
It's really cold.
Yeah. Where are you guys from?
From Germany.
Germany.
But we are even cold here.
Oh my God. But Germany is cold, right?
Yeah. It's the same thing here.
Oh my God. You're well coat and everything up to your face. All right, so it's Jamaica Walk By. So if you ever want to see what Jamaica looks like, you can watch Jamaica Walk By. You'll see walking tours, talking to people, see the places to go, the hotels, you name it. You ever been to Jamaica?
No, never.
I guess you want to.
Maybe one day.
One day. All right, so you guys walking over the bridge too? That's what we're going to experience today.
Pardon?
That's what we're going to do right now too.
I thought so.
Yeah. All right, so you guys take care. Blessed love. All right, it's Jamaica Walk By, okay?
Okay.
All right, keep being sweet. All right.
Have a nice day.
You too, sweetie. Yeah, so we're walking. The place is just really nice. Beautiful. Oh, so see that? You have a lot of the cyclists them go that way. And we walk over here. And there's a sign, no bicycles on this stretch. So massive, from what I've heard, I heard that the Brooklyn Bridge is just amazing. It is superb. So let's see. beautiful. Yeah, man. It's a good look. So massive, as you can see, straight ahead around the bend. You can see the bridge. That's the bridge right there. And see there are tons of persons piling up that side. I have no idea. But I can see a lot of people center camera. So same like how me, I got experience it. That's how y'all got experience it, because I have never walked over the bridge, any at all. So I really don't know what to expect. So same time, everybody experience it the same time me I experience it. Zin? Just to make it clear. Yeah. So massive, if you're not yet give the video a thumbs up, please my beg you give it a thumbs up right now. See? Let's go. Oh, I'll catch you up again. It's slowing down. Woo. Isn't this beautiful in Germany? Oh man, I'm gonna definitely visit Germany one day. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Yeah. Oh, so I realize there are some people walking down this side, like this side here, and they're gone down through that tunnel there. So I guess this is the next section you can actually walk. Alright, so oh, the Brooklyn Heights and what? Bamboo or Bamboo. Yeah. You can see the sign. So it's a stair. Brooklyn Bridge Park. Oh. Dumbo. Alright, that is it. Oh, so a lot of persons walking from that side. See, massive, look. Tons of people. So this one's supposed to be epic. So massive, as you can see, also look that way. You can see the subway also. Oh, let's go. So if me, that's supposed to be the Manhattan Bridge. Don't quote me upon it, but it's supposed to be the Manhattan Bridge. See? Yeah, no joke. All right. So you have a load of stuff selling and stuff. Yeah, a lot of souvenirs. Bunch of souvenirs and toys. So on our way back, we're definitely gonna get a few souvenirs here. There are loads of them. Loads of souvenir. Same thing. I know some have to get souvenir for Lexi. Beautiful. Our magnetic ones are for $3. Nice. See, a lot of people walking over this bridge. Are you ready? Let me soon like the video. Let me soon start comment now, man. Let me soon start say some ready in the comment section. Ready? See the bridge, eh? When you ready? When you start comment ready right now in the premiere. Ready, 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 and some fire signal. We ready, ready, ready. We're gonna walk over the bridge. You know ready? Yeah, massive. No joke. Yeah, let's go, let's go. When you ready then, let me see on the type. Ready, 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 ready. Let's do this. We'll walk over the bridge. So you have more hats and souvenir here. Yeah. Loads of souvenir. Lots of tourists. Oh, you have a nuts brother here. Bless up. Respect. Hey, that's kind of weird to me. A while ago, everybody's stall is, or their business place is full, and the one black guy, there was absolutely nobody there. The one black guy down there selling, nobody was at his business place. I'm definitely gonna support that one. I'm gonna support that guy on my way back, just to make sure. As a matter of fact, I'm going to support him right now. Let me go. Let me see what I'm selling. I see like every other person's down there actually full with customers or persons just looking. But there's this one colored guy. There's nobody there. This one. Hey fam. Now I see some people coming here. See? Now I actually see some person stopping by. Let me see, what would I like? Hey, yes. Big up. I had to turn back to see, because I was walking and I see everybody else had so much persons at their business place, and then I passed you. Okay. I'm a YouTuber. And then I passed you and you were completely empty. You know? Okay, so I want to, let me see if there's anything I might like that I probably can just see what. Do you have anything magnetic?
Magnetic?
Yeah. I might get a souvenir for.
No.
Which one is it?
All this one is magnetic.
All these are magnetic. All right. What's the cost on these?
$2.
$2? All right. All right. $2. Let me see.
I have the table over there, $1.50.
Oh.
45.
Oh, those over there. All right. So I like these still. So I just want to get something with the Brooklyn Bridge. Do you have anything at all with the Brooklyn Bridge on there? I see Brooklyn. I see that one. Do you have any like says Brooklyn Bridge or nothing like that? I see that one is nice, New York, but I want to see something like Brooklyn Bridge. So I can remember that. Yeah, I remember when we walked over the Brooklyn Bridge. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah. And how much for this? $2. Let me see. All right. So here's the $2 right here. Yeah, you can put it in a bag. Put in a small bag. You have a small one. What's your name, man? Badu? Modu.
Yeah.
Oh, you're from Africa?
Yes.
Kenya?
Senegal.
Oh, Senegal.
Yeah.
Bless up, man. More love and respect. Do you know Marwa?
Yeah.
You know Marwa?
Marwa?
Marwa, yeah, the YouTuber. He's from Kenya.
No, I don't know.
You don't know him? Yeah, he's from Canada. He's a big YouTuber. He comes to Jamaica and stuff like that, you know? I just want to give you some blessings and support, you know?
Okay, thank you.
I hope that the business turn up more for today.
Thank you.
Yeah, we have some nice souvenirs over here. They're beautiful. Let's go. Let's get them. They're just cheap. We have souvenirs from like, what? $2. We have like, yeah, $2. We have souvenirs. These magnetic souvenirs, $2 right here. How much are they at?
$5.
$5. We have ads for $5. Come on, let's go. Let's get this grinding. All right. You have some over there. It's for $1.50 over there. No doubt. Yeah, he probably give you a discount if you buy enough.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it work. Yeah, $5. Just $5 right here. Yeah, we have a sale over here. Sale. Come on, let's go. Let's get him. Yeah, man, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Do you like it, man? Like it? It's just $5. $5, we go. We go. We're selling. We're selling. Come on, my brother. There's some guy over, some persons over here wants to get some ad. Hello, miss, can I sell you something? We have things over here for $2, man. You want to get a souvenir at the bridge? $2. Let's go. Sale over here. We have some sale over here. Hi, my beautiful people. Hello, can I get you something over here?
Thank you.
All right, enough love, enough love. We're selling, let's go. What do you think about the quality? It's nice, right? Yeah. Yeah, man, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. You know, are you... Sale over here. Can I sell you something? We have things at $2. Souvenirs are $2. Yeah. We're selling over here. Well, ads are $5 and stuff. Got it? Hey, thank you. Thank you. Can I get you something? We have $2 stuff over here. Souvenir, you can't regret it. Let's go. Hi, my beautiful people. Can I get something over here? All right. Hey, we have ads over here for $5. We have souvenir for $2. Yeah, man, let's stop. Let's get something. Let's do this. These are for just $2.
We come back in 10 minutes.
All right. Okay, cool. That's nice. Let's go. Find something you like? Nice. Hi, mommy. Blessed love. Yeah, we're selling. This is how we do it, man, in Jamaica.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna spend a few more minutes before I go. There's some ladies over here, you can probably assist them. They're trying to get some stuff. Sale. This lady's nice. Hi. It's beautiful. We have things over here selling. We have things for $5, $2, souvenir. What do you say? We're quick sale, small profit. You know? Blessed. Okay. Let's go. I see you looking. Can we get something over here? $2 souvenir, hats, $5. Yeah. Yeah, want a bag? Bag? All right, he's giving you a bag. Nice, let's go. That's it. So massive, this is the way we do it. Yeah. Let's help our brother out. Hey, hello, anything over here? We have stuff for $5, $2, $1.50. Yeah. We're selling. So this is what we do. We help our brother out. Anyway, we see them, you know what I mean? That is it. Let's see if we can get him a few more sales. See him get a few sales already over here. Hey man, what's up? We have ads for $5, you know? Stuff for $1. Hey! Yeah, you want to take a picture? Yeah, nice. Those ads are for $5. You want to sponsor us? Anything is even for $2. We have stuff here for $2.
No, you're
$2
right.
stuff.
Send them a picture out. If you like it, I'll get it.
All right
I
then.
just want to make sure I get the right one.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Enough love, respect. Hi. Oh, you with them? Come on, we have stuff here for $2. We have stuff for $1.50. We have ads for $5. Yeah, we're selling out.
I paid $4.
$4 up there? Or maybe we can match it. Oh, you get it already. Oh man, that's it. That's a good deal. Yeah, that's a good deal. Enough love. Let's go. Yeah. Hi. Anything over here? We have souvenir for $1.50, $2, hats $5. Yeah, come on, take a look. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for shopping. Still looking, I love it.
So do you have a mirror?
A mirror? Oh, yeah, a mirror. A mirror. All right. He's gonna get the mirror. You want to see how handsome he is? You want to see how handsome he is?
I'm not handsome.
Come on, man. Don't do that. Ah, there you go. Look at it now, man. You're a handsome fella. You're a handsome fella, man.
I like you like hell.
Look, this is your wife?
No, it's my girlfriend.
It's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Beautiful girl. You win, man.
Yeah,
That's good, man.
Because I win the lottery. That's
I believe I can see it.
I just picked the right ticket.
Yeah, man, trust me, man. I think I did too. Yeah, so I have to let my own stay at home. Yeah, I like it. What do you think?
I like it too. Like that one or the pink one?
Yeah, nice. What do you mean? So, my brother,
Yes.
blessed love and respect.
too. Thank
Keep
you.
on the grind, all right?
Thank you very much.
Blessings, we're going on. All right, so take care, all right?
How much is it?
Woo! Oh, man, no, I don't know which one to pick.
Discount.
Man,
How much you want it for that?
my brother, these are beautiful people. She said discount. What do you say?
But the price is the $5.
That's five. That's five. The last price is $5.
Yeah, last price.
Come on, my friend. You can do.
All right, hear what I'm gonna do. I'll give the, how much you want it for? 4?
3? No.
No, man.
Four.
All right, we give it to 4. I'll give it $1. Oh, that sound. All right, yeah, we do that. I love my people. To be honest with you, I will go for the pink. Sorry. What do you think? Pink?
I think the same, but she said that she has already ones like that. So
More or less. But this is
Because this one is
for the
excellent
color
too.
of my eye.
See? Oh yeah! Oh yeah, you're so right. Take the pink one off, go with that one, definitely.
don't say yeah because you
I'm
want to
gonna
say
no.
something. You're
The
a
eyes.
liar.
No, the eyes. No, I'm gonna tell you the truth.
You're a liar.
I personally would go for the pink one. But when she shows me the eyes, that changed it for me. It's like getting a jacket.
Because she said that.
No, when I saw the eyes, no,
You're
the
a
eyes.
liar.
No, the eyes. It matches your eyes, so true.
Yeah.
Like for real.
That's-
So,
Better than this.
yo, I love the pink one, but when you show me the eyes, that the eyes go with that one, I'm gonna say go with that one. It's like getting a jacket that you love, but then when you check the shoes, you'll be like, I'm gonna be wearing a pink
You're
shoes.
right.
So you switch it.
But I'm a man, I don't care. So I just take whatever I have in the drawer. So
Yeah.
I just open the drawer and I take whatever I have.
That
Who
is
cares?
it. Yeah. So
If I have a red socks and a white socks, it doesn't matter. Who cares?
true. I got you. But
Have also this.
oh, now you hear what? Best to get the two of them because you're gonna be in trouble, man.
I'm not in trouble. I'm not going to pay.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give this guy the $1, and you guys give him 4, okay?
I can charge you for that.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Oh, he said it's okay. I love you, man. I love you. Much love. That's how we do business, you know. All right. So blessed love. Thank you, guys. One love.
Thank you.
You're so much fun. Okay. Blessings and love. Bless up. So yeah, massive. That's how we do it. Anywhere we go in the world, that's how we have to do the thing. You understand? Yeah. Hey, my friend. Hello. Hi. I saw you with a camera. You're a photographer?
No.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber. Is it you? You're a photographer? So you have the oh man, I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica walk by, a big YouTuber in Jamaica. Been to Jamaica before?
No, never.
All right, so if you want to see what Jamaica looks like, just like this and stuff, you check out my YouTube. It's Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. So if you subscribe, you will see me walking in Jamaica, the hotels, you see all the good stuff, the bad stuff, everything. So you know where to go, when to go, and all of that, all right? Yeah, be safe. I'm going to be experiencing this for the first time. Yeah, you guys walking before?
Yes, we did.
Oh man, I know you're doing it again, so that means it's beautiful.
It's very
OMG, lovely. Make sure you use that. Take some pictures. Make sure you take some pictures.
Do you know how to use it?
Yeah, I kind of know how to use it. You know?
Would you agree to take a picture of us?
Oh, like to take a picture of it. All right.
Can you, if you know how it works?
All right. So you, it's new for you.
No, it's not new for me. I know how to use it.
Okay.
It's a little complicated. If you don't want to try, I mean, I won't blame you. But if you're okay to try, you can take a picture of us. So we have.
Yeah, you are. Yeah. But I think I will be walking and recording, so no problem to take the picture for you.
Okay.
Yeah, you just probably just tell me when would you like to do it, or.
Just here, it's fine.
Oh, you. Okay, let me get you to hold this for me. All right. You just gotta hold it just like that.
Yeah.
Keep it straight, and that's it. All right. So, all right.
So I'm going to turn it on. You
Right.
look in here. Just
Yeah.
wait a minute. I'm just checking.
Already focused and stuff. This one is a different one from one that I have.
It's a camera. It's a.
Is it
film.
on autofocus?
You have the autofocus set on. You have to press not to the end.
You're okay?
Yeah, smart. So,
If you press just a little, it's going to do the focus.
yeah.
And
That's the. Oh, it's a one squeeze and let it focus and then take the picture.
Yes.
Ah, I got
okay,
you. I
perfect.
got you.
Thank you so much.
All right, no problem, man. All right. Let me step back a bit. I want to catch a bridge. I'm gonna take a few, okay? All right, let me go. That's one. Let me see. I want a little bit full. I want a full one. Let me see. All right. So look at it. Look at it before. Can you view it back?
No, you can't.
Oh,
It's like
I think I did a great job, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys some even more pictures of it. All right, so you hold on to this. I'm gonna let you guys take some more pictures. So, is your girlfriend?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys go on the wall and hug up and look in his face, and I take a few for you. Yeah? Is that all right? Yeah, go to the. Look at these two. Let's take pictures, man.
Okay.
All right, come over to the wall. Let's do this. Yeah, hug up your girlfriend. She's yours, be happy and let's get some pictures. Wow, beautiful!
Thank you so much.
All right, that's great.
Do you have like a card with your YouTube?
All my cards are finished. Let me see if there's any at all.
I can take a picture if you just have one.
Oh man. Oh yeah, finally. I have one leaf. Oh my God. This one is gonna beat up, but
Okay.
I take a picture of you so that you can keep it.
I'm just gonna give it to you guys.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You took the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
that's great.
So we're going to
All
follow
right.
your YouTube channel.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by, all right?
Thank you.
Cool, cool, cool. You're welcome.
Enjoy them.
Yeah, you too. That's great.
Got it, man.
Yeah, much love and respect. Okay. Seems like you got 3 of them. Yeah, massive. I don't know, say that's me. All love me preach and me go nowhere, man. All love. It's all about love and kindness and living a life and being beautiful. You understand? That's what you have to live for. You gotta live and be happy. Hey, much love, peace, blessings. Listen, now that you do that, I'm gonna give you an official big up. I'm Fabian, Jamaica Walk By. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh,
Yeah. So where you guys from?
Ireland.
Ireland. Yee! That's it. Big up, man. One love. That's it. You guys be safe, all right? Cool. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Did you get it good? Did my face catch? First time walking over the bridge? First time? Oh, first time. Mine too. Oh, this is board. It's board. Ah. Hello. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah. Now, who's gonna take both of you in the picture?
Sorry?
Who's gonna take both of you in the picture? If you're having a photo. Oh, now you get it. All right. So, let me take their picture. All right, ready?
Yeah.
That's one. Give me the crazy one now.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, that's it. Oh, let me go to portrait. Let me switch it to portrait.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Let me get a closer one. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Look, I want to see your face when you see them. That is it.
Thank you so much, brother.
Blessings again. Yeah. See them chopper in the sky. Beautiful people and all sorts of stuff, you know? So walking over the Brooklyn Bridge. Remember, if she's taking the picture, she's not going to be in it with you. And if you're taking the picture, you're not going to be in with it. You want me to take you guys a picture? Together? That's fine. I'm a YouTuber, so it's okay. All right. Nice. Where's the crazy picture? Give me the crazy one. Wait. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Much love.
Bye.
Cool. Yeah. Oh my word. This is awesome. This is awesome. So we have cars down this side. Oh my word. It's lovely. Oh yeah. And then there's cars this side. Woo. Yeah. Persons taking their photos and stuff. Like it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Beautiful. So massive I just summer roll, you know. I think it feels so good when you can help and when you can show love. I don't know how some people get up every day and just being hateful, you know. It is. Nice. Nice. Super nice. Nice. Super nice. Woo! That's the Statue of Liberty over there. I see the Statue of Liberty over there. Wow. Woo! Massive, look at this. This is breathtaking, yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my word.
On the next side.
Oh my word, this is beautiful. Super beautiful. Super beautiful, massive. Wow. This is really high. Wow. Lovely. So you have the cars down this side. You have some historical things about the bridge here. There's a little bit of history about the bridge. How the bridge was built. 1870. Wow. Okay, sorry. Sorry too, man. Beautiful. Woo. Look upon them infrastructure, yeah, man. Infrastructure. Wow. So center camera, I'm not sure if you can see the Statue of Liberty. See it? Lovely. Lovely. You want me to take a picture of you guys?
No, we're good.
All right, great. That's lovely. Look at this. You have some more history over here. New York Harbor. Wow. Some more history here. Hey, hold on. A Western Union? Western Union was around this long? I really didn't know that.
I wouldn't have thought that.
Massive, there's a Western Union imprinted in this. I didn't know that Western Union was around this long. Oh my word. Wow. Sure, extra. Yeah, I'm a bit peckish now. Oh my word. Let's go. Massive, trust me. Remember soon to start drop some thumbs up in the comment section. Remember soon to start drop some fire signal if you say yeah. Right now I'm cool, so no warm me up. Warm me up with the fire signal them. Warm me up. Drop some fire signal them, my friend them. Massive, if you now watch the video and you not yet like the video, see it here. Give it a thumbs up. See it here. That one here. Let's go. If you please, me I beg you, subscription is free also. So if you're watching and not yet subscribed, please me I ask if you subscribe to the channel. The Brooklyn Bridge Massive. Beautiful. Magnificent sight. Look at that. Yeah. Superb thing. Massive, me is a lover of nature and stuff like this, you know, so I'm gonna feel good just to be walking over here. It's lovely. Oh. Manhattan. Yeah, man. Massive, the sun is shining, but believe me, you know, I feel it. Wow, look at that. Oh, so massive, that bridge over there is the Manhattan Bridge. So if you look, center camera all the way over there, that's the Manhattan Bridge. Yeah, massive structure too. Super. Hey, hold on, that guy using the 360 camera, I wanna talk. Hey, my friend. Hey, sir, hello. You're a YouTuber? Excuse me. One question. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber and I saw you with the 360 camera.
Yes.
So I was wondering if you're a YouTuber.
No.
No.
Ghost Bibles.
And this is the new one. This is the 3X.
It's X3, yes.
Yeah, this is lovely. Can I just look at it? Massive. This is one of the camera. Like, I really got to invest in one of these.
Yes.
Really nice. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So if you were a YouTuber, we could probably be like, oh yeah, two YouTuber link up and stuff like that. Where you guys from?
Germany.
Germany. Oh, big up all Germany, massive. Much love, much love. You guys be safe, all right?
Yes.
Tag me in that video.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, video me. Yeah, is it recording? It's Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah, video me. Hey man, we're in the Brooklyn, bro. It's crazy. Yeah. Hey, bless up, okay? Cool. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's how I am. I wish there were a YouTuber. Like, I really wish there were a YouTuber that we could actually link up or something, you know, over here. That would be crazy. He has the 360 camera, that's the new one. You know? Bad piece of camera. Yeah. So those footage are in 360. I'm gonna try it out, the 360 walk, that you guys can actually control the camera yourself. So while I'm walking, if you want to see my face, you can see my face. If you want to see where I'm going, you can see where I'm going and stuff like that, you know? And you can turn it and control it and see wherever you want to see. That's what that camera does. Yeah. So instead of looking this way, and where I'm showing you, you can actually move it around and do what you want to do and view what you want to view. Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah. 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 So we're outside, massive, no joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah. Let's go. Oh man, all these guys playing the same song, bro. What is this, man? Come on, man. All guys playing the same song, and them know I'm afraid of the copywriting. Yeah. Hold on, can I get a video here?
No, thank you.
No, I'm just trying to video these. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, she is special to me. Yes, you are. Beautiful lady. Your wife?
Yes.
Man, you won the lottery too. Yeah, that's great. So, no fun to get lucky, so you know. I'm not fun the relationship, but the final so you can't get free up on the lock up. On the lock up on the Brooklyn Bridge. No fun on the can't get no free up. You now wonder why go on, why you can't get free up on the lock up. Look good now, man. When time I realize no matter what you do, you can't move on, you're stuck in a relationship. Someone will lock up on the bridge with a master lock. Or sort of lock, you lock up. Look there. Boy, me I tell you, N and A, uno lock up. You understand? Look them man, Joyce love you forever. You lock up. You can't free up. You have to go find the lock here. And free yourself. See that? Look how much I no lock up on the bridge. Jaja do. Serious. Yeah. Serious. Yeah, massive. Look on lock and key. Look on lock. Look on lock, we lock up on the look there. Them are people that lock up. Lock up, lock up. When you're in a relationship and you realize that no matter what a person do, you can't left. You can't left, you can't move on. Because you're on Brooklyn Bridge, lock up. Look how much lock. Look how much lock and key. Look there. Look how much lock. You want a relationship, lock up on this. With this offense. Yeah. And a joke thing. Nothing else. I know I don't lock with riches there. I lock in a relationship. Look up on this one now. Eh? Brady, I must say, Emery, you no lock up. Lorenzo, you lock. How you mean? No phone and then lock up on this bridge. You can't go nowhere. Eh? Look there. I don't even know which language this is, but you lock up. You can't move. Yo, look up on them big lock here. Look up on them here. What do you explain to me? All my viewers and subscribers, what do you tell me now? What do you think them lock here be? To the lock on the bridge. Eh? What do you think them lock here be? What do you think the richest lock them here? Eh? What do you think the richest lock? But the relationship lock up. Can't move. Almighty. No, sir. I tell you. Yeah. But in a relationship, them are can't free up and I wonder what go on. Somebody can lock on you so. On a stuck. Big up all my viewers and subscribers. One Jamaica walk by, you understand? We're up on the Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah, we're up on the Brooklyn Bridge. We're in Brooklyn, no joke, no doubt. You understand? Let's go easy though, let's do this. Nice. Excuse me, I just love the color because it just look like I'm a country color. So I just have to say big up, you understand? If I'm not Jamaica or Brazil. Which one is it? If it's not Jamaican, it's Brazil.
The color.
If it's not Jamaica, it's Brazil, try America.
It's America?
I'm American.
Hey, so you just love have Jamaican culture.
That's it.
That is it. Touch me now, man. Big up every time, man. Yeah. See the green? Yeah.
I do not give you permission to post me on your live, though.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. I
Yeah.
just want to make sure you know.
I'm a YouTuber.
I just
You
don't
understand?
give you permission unless you ask me.
Yeah, it's fine, but
You know I'm just being silly, right?
I was just gonna.
Wait, he stopped immediately.
No. I was just gonna start explaining the rules, though. I was like, come here, let me talk. I'm just gonna be like, you know.
We need y'all. Like, I can't even record it because she got my phone. I can't even record the exchange.
So massive. When she said that, I'm like, okay, that's fine. I was gonna be like, but you know though that once you're out in the public,
It is public.
yeah, I can record you liking it or not. So, but
the way that he stopped, he put his phone away immediately. Like, okay, I'm done.
All right, touch it.
Because she's a black woman.
I like her. Yeah, you're the only person that give me that. You know I'm kidding, right? I'm like, I was just going into the books and I'm like, da.
You
Yeah.
will never forget me.
No,
That's
I'll
the thing.
never forget you.
You will never forget me.
So, what's your name?
Shantae.
Shantae.
Yes.
Can I give you a shout out?
You can.
You're on Instagram?
Shantae Nelson, I am.
Shantae Nelson on Instagram.
Yes.
Spell it out. Can you spell it out?
SHAUNTAYNELSON. On Instagram, I think there's an R, so Shantae R. Nelson.
Shantae R. Nelson.
Yes.
They're going to message you and be like, what do you have to do my Jamaica walk by like that? I love you guys. Best of love. You guys just continue being you make me laugh. This is the first person make me laugh in a long time.
Laughter is good for the heart. It's good for
Love
the
it.
soul.
Watch the videos and you see exactly what I'm about.
Yes.
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk.
Yeah, let you take a picture. Jamaica walk by. I'm gonna let you take a I have like the one leaf. I don't know why.
Okay, here.
Yeah, I wanted to
I'm gonna take a picture.
Take a picture of it.
Yep, and I will
Follow. I
All
came
right.
over here with hundreds of cards and they're all gone.
That's
Thanks
okay.
be to God. I'm happy.
You should do a digital card.
That's what. Yeah.
Do a digital.
A few persons tell me about that, doing a digital card.
Do a digital card, and that way you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
It's through Blink.
To blink.
Get the
Oh
recording.
my God. This is. let me,
What are you doing?
yeah.
What are we doing?
Yeah. Video. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture.
Oh,
Let's take a picture. So.
Right.
Yeah.
So Blink.
All right. So it's blink.
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 And you'll be able to.
You teach me something right now.
Yes. That's what
I
we
love your
do.
cologne. What cologne you have on?
What color?
Yeah, the cologne.
I don't remember. It's something.
Sweet like drinks. Yeah, he wants to take the picture for you. Careful now. Whoa, up there. Strong. So this is Shante Nelson on Instagram, massive. I would have swear they were Jamaicans, but they're Americans. Cool. This guy's taking pictures like crazy. All right, so on Blink, I can get a digital card and I can print it up and put it on the cards too.
Don't print it. Just have people scan your phone.
Oh, so just show them and they just scan it.
It'll scan and bring up your digital card.
Yeah.
No need.
One more time, touch it. Much love and you guys be safe, all right? Much love. Bye-bye, Shante. Really nice lady, like, oh my God. Super nice lady. So I was walking and she said, you know that I didn't give you permission to record me, right? And I'm like, yeah, that's okay. But then I was just gonna be like, but you know I have permission because you're out in the public, I can video. She was like, you know I'm kidding, right? And she just changed my face. I'm like, you got me. Yeah, man, she get me good. Yeah, she get me really good. Like, she got me good. Yeah, she got me really good. So anybody there, Shante R. Nelson, big up yourself. On Instagram, that's her name, Shante R. Nelson. Much love, much blessings. You made me laugh for a long time in one of my blogs as a complete stranger, and that is great. Yeah, that was awesome. All right. That was super cool. Good. Oh yeah, bless up. Yeah, it's a camera. Yeah, you like it? It's neat.
Where we buy it?
Yeah, you can get it online. It's an OSMO Pocket.
OSMO Pocket.
How much is it? It depends on the one that you want. They have like the OSMO 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
How much you pay?
This one is one of the old ones, so it's maybe about $400 US for it now.
OSMO, huh?
Yeah, OSMO Pocket. You can take a photo of it.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, much love. Cool. Time. Yeah, you too. Oh yeah. We have some artwork over here. Nice. Wow, these are beautiful. Yeah. Oh my word, look at this. Oh my word, look at this. It's beautiful. Wow. Nice. Wow. Yeah. I keep seeing these. I'm not sure what is it, but I keep seeing them. Anybody know what they mean? You can probably tell me. I keep seeing them posting everywhere. Yeah. Wow, Jano. Foreign, me I tell you. Something to look upon, you know? Something to look upon. Look at the magnitude of people on the bridge. The magnitude of persons just walking and looking and experiencing this beautiful sightseeing. Look at that. Not a massive, the infrastructure just superb. Yeah. So don't quote me on this one, but this is supposed to be the FDR drive. So this one is actually alongside the water. I think this is where we drive, or we drove. I don't know, my English not good already, but this is where we drove coming to the bridge. FDR drive. Yeah. That is it. Beautiful. Yeah, man. FDR drive. Oh, yeah. Oh, my word. Excuse me, can I take the picture with you guys, like with her in it for you? Because I realize you're not going to have any. Yeah, let me take it for you. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I've been trying to help out as many as I can. All right, so this one is your shutter. Ready? One, give me the crazy one. Yeah, that's it. You're most welcome. Check it out. Tell me if you like it.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Great. Nice. Nice. Putting a smile on a family. You know, it's hard to come here and not have anyone to take your pictures. So if you come here with two persons, one will have to take the picture and the other will be out. So, you know, give the opportunity. Yeah. Many souvenirs and stuff that you can get over here. Loads of souvenirs and things. All these are souvenirs that you can get. Yeah. Yeah, congratulations, man. You're doing it. What is this? This is something that looks like you can actually out in the rain and stuff, and it's all covered. This is nice. I'm definitely going to look this up to see if I can get one for my house. What's the name of this one? Under the weather, to be there whether or not, my pod. I'm definitely going to get one of this. Oh wow, this is super cool. So imagine outside sometime I just rain is falling, I would like to do certain work outside. You can probably just go inside and use this. This is nice. That's nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now who's gonna take both of you together? Yeah, I'm trying to help out as many persons as I can. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber, so I know the struggles. Go closer, man. Yeah. Ready? That's one. Yeah, keep back. Go back. Right. All right, that's one. Where's the crazy one? Woo! That's the money picture right here. Now you're gonna feel like you got here.
Absolutely.
Nice, bless up, you know? Cool, yeah, it's Jamaica walk by, you tell you. Yeah. So massive, this is beautiful, this is lovely. That's Manhattan over there and all of that. I haven't run into any Jamaican whatsoever. And I wonder, Jamaicans don't do them thing here. Jamaicans don't know how to walk Brooklyn Bridge. Oh, me can't see no Jamaicans. Yeah. That's it. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yeah, man, once we see nobody a video, man, then video me, man. And I can tell them Jamaica walk by in the video. More promotion that for me, you know? Yeah. That is it. Oh, you mean? We're outside. Brooklyn Bridge. So massive, if you're not yet tried this, you should try the Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Nice! Yeah. Brooklyn Bridge, massive. Right over in a Manhattan. Yeah. So nice. All of these guys playing the exact same song, bro. But no joke, Tim. No joke. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right. So we are over here in Manhattan. Gallatin. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, the sighting that way is just beautiful, you know? So as you can see, if you look that way, you'll see the sightings are just different, you know? Yeah, it's crazy. FDR Drive over there. Yeah. Give him the crazy picture. Where's the crazy picture? Ah! Yeah. Yeah, bless up.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. You can go, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, man,
Oh, man. Woo! Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So yeah, we're not done yet. We're still continuing there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. You guys YouTubers? No. Nah? Oh, I thought you guys were YouTubers. Cause you got one of those cameras, you know? Bless up. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, man, massive. Look good. Far in with there. We outside. Beautiful. Some more souvenirs over here. Can get souvenirs if you want. Some things for the kids. I think I'm gonna try and get one of those yellow taxi. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get one of the yellow taxi over there. There's hats over there. Loads of stuff. Nice. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber, just passing through. Yeah. So yeah. So she wanted to sell me something, so I was telling her I was just passing through. Yeah. We have a lot of OSMO here, you know? Right on the bridge. Nice. Woo! This is a beautiful walk, trust me. Wow. Oh yeah, Papa. Yeah. Those are stuff for the crocs. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wow. Wow. Those are actually apartments that persons live in.
Check it out, my friend. Check it out. $1, my friend. $1, my friend. Check it out, my friend.
Yeah. $1. Yeah, guys over here selling the stuff then for $1. Yeah. Yeah, FDR Drive North. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. I want one of these souvenirs. Bless up, my brother. Big up. Yeah. How much one of these yellow taxi? How much? $5. Oh. What? Do you have any one smaller than that? Oh, that's only size. Oh. I wanted one of these for souvenir. $5. All right. When I'm passing back, I'll support you, okay? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna just get it now. Okay. Let me see one of these new ones here. All right. I'm just gonna take this one. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. No, you can't keep it back. You can't keep the bag. I'll just put it in my pouch. All right. All right. Thank you, man. So, oh, this is it. So, where are you from?
Africa, Senegal.
Oh, Senegal. You're from Senegal. That's like my other brother down there. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Bless up and respect. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so I'm trying to get a few souvenirs. I got the yellow taxi, I got one of the Brooklyn Bridge souvenir for the fridge and stuff like that. Yeah. Can't come here and support the locals a little bit. They're doing it. Oh my God, Mr. Massive, if any of you in the comment section and you're not yet travel, yo, start going for them visas and trying to go travel, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Believe me. Man. These are nice too, look. See? A lot of souvenirs and stuff. Statue of Liberty here. Can I look at it? Yeah. The Statue of Liberty. Oh my word, nice. Look at it. The Statue of Liberty.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
That's kind of you, okay? Yeah. It's nice. Nice. The hustle here is real, you know? All right, we're moving along. So persons buying, you know, supporting the locals and stuff like that. It's just awesome. Just awesome. Yeah. So big up to everybody who actually there in the premiere section and still a comment, we are reason, we are talkers, we go through. Mad love, mad respect to all of you, all of you. We super appreciate all of you, massive. We soon reach the 100,000 subscribers. And we just want to take it easy and go and see where. You understand? Yeah. No joke. No joke thing. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, I see a lot of African family now over this side actually having them business up and running. Yeah. Okay, there we go this way. Yeah, this way.
It's about this new business. It's not my business.
Massive, trust me, just full up my eye as me I walk and me I tell you say, man, look at that. Look at that. See, there are lots of hustling and things, yeah? Super nice. Super nice. Loads of stuff you can buy. Loads of stuff you can buy. A lot of souvenir. Because listen, this place gets a lot of traffic, as you can see. Super amazing to see the amount of persons just walking back and forth over the bridge or on the bridge. You know, yeah, I think that's the right term, on the bridge. You know, yeah. A lot of my African brothers here too. But yeah. Oh man, it's been crazy. Look, loads of business places and stuff. Persons doing tons of things. I'm not sure where that goes, but Chinatown. They said this one takes you to Chinatown. I have a video of Chinatown at night. I probably will make a walk in the day to let you see what Chinatown look like. So I'm not so sure. You know? Yeah. So I'm trying to weigh my mind, and let me check something. Excuse me, sir. If I go that way, I see Chinatown right there. You think I'm gonna head out? It's gonna come out at Chinatown, where actually is Chinatown? That's what I'm.
I'm not too sure. I'm not from around here. There. So
Okay.
But maybe you can try.
Okay. All right. I'll just go straight. I'll check that. But massive, I have a video of Chinatown at night and Little Italy. You know, so I'll be posting that. Yeah. This bridge is ram-packed with people moving back and forth. Yeah. Loads of things, loads of hustle and things. Hey, bless up, respect. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. Can I give you guys a shout out, introduce you to the channel? More people, the better. I'm actually walking the entire Brooklyn Bridge here. You know what I mean? And my camera loves to see beautiful ladies and beautiful people. You know, so if my spirit say I must stop, I'm gonna stop. You understand?
So what are we doing?
All right. So I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica, so I walk and I talk and I just talk to you like naturally I'm doing now. So you ever walked over the bridge before?
That's what we're trying to do.
So you're gonna.
It's the first time.
All right, so it's the first time for me too. And before you go, let me tell you, make sure you have your phone out to be taking them pictures and all those moments, because it's awesome. It's beautiful. So can I give you a shout out on Instagram? Yeah, if you're on Instagram, I'll give your page a shout out.
Shout out.
Yeah.
We have to go. We gotta go already.
All right, then bless up yourselves. Introduce you to the channel. It's Jamaica Walk By, all right? Cool. Yeah. So massive, that's what we do. We try to talk, try to showcase the ladies, them same speed, business, whatever. In my mind, if I stop, me stop. I thought that girl though, she actually have a little Jamaican thing to her. So when we start talking to her, I realized that she don't know nothing about Jamaican at all. But me they already start talk. I thought she was going to say she's Jamaican. That's the dark skinned girl, but she don't know anything about Jamaica, nor the talking. So when I even say, can I give you a shout out? She didn't have no idea what I was referring to. And I think when they say shout out, most persons should understand that, but I guess not. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, you have food and things are going on, street side food, hustling have to go and see them with all heap of pictures and photos and stuff like that. But yeah.
For the record, I am curious.
Well, we know you're floating the idea.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my word. This looks like the end of the walk. but there's so much more stuff to see. Oh my word. Oh, we have 6 seconds to make it across. Watch out. Oh my word. So massive. That was the Brooklyn Bridge. It's still even crowded right at this moment, the Brooklyn Bridge. So as you see, the other side, we're over in Manhattan, Galat. And you have stuff for people selling food, all sorts of stuff. You have a place where you can sit down and chill, take pictures, look at the beautiful scenery. Oh man, Jano. Yeah. So that's a vibe, and this is what. All right, you know, for me normally wonder too. So now we can see a lot of the bicycles. So most of them bicycles there, you can actually rent them for the day or for the time that you want. I think you use some sort of card. It's a company that has it, and you can just rent the bikes. That is one of the things that I'm gonna do before me leave over here. I'm gonna ride on them bicycle. Yeah, it's a must. Yeah, no joke. Yeah. So massive, that was a walk over the Brooklyn Bridge, and we're on the other side. You don't know, just a look on some beautiful people. Just a walk, life is sweet, life is great. And thing, no joke thing. Foreign is a vibe, it's just always moving, going. Yeah. So massive, if you really watch this far, you're not like the video yet, OMG man. If you really watch the video so far, and you not like the video, and you not give it a thumbs up, oh, me don't know what to say. That's mean, man, come on. We have millions of views. We should be seeing millions of subscribers. So massive, if you're watching the channel and you're not yet subscribed, remember subscription is completely free. Subscription is completely free, don't charge you anything. It's just for you to be notified whenever we are actually posting a video. You can be on the premiere and you'll be the first to see the video before it's up on the channel. So please may I ask you to subscribe. You know, we got to keep those numbers up so that we can show our viewers that we are actually doing a great job. You understand? Yeah. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. So I'm just walking a little bit so you can see a little bit more of the scenery and stuff over here. See? Before I close the video. But massive Jamaica walk by in a them town, in a them place, and it's just beautiful. You understand? Yeah.
Wait.
So I actually press a button here. I want to go on that side there. I'm going to check out over that side there. And show now a little bit of down there, so. You know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. No, I'm yeah. I want to go on this side. I want to see some close-up of this building right here. Alright, this is our time. The machine just starts screaming. Oh my. City Street. Wow. DS Police. Wow.
Yeah.
So we're still walking. So massive, trust me, it is just awesome. I'm gonna close the video right down there so you can see another perspective of this place. I don't know, but New York in the city, it's beautiful, beautiful, breathtaking, massive. Yeah, beautiful. Clean, clean. Trust me. Look at this. Oh yeah, they normally show that place there in the movies, bro. Excuse me, I just heard she said she's 30 something and she's an old person. Yeah. That's what you just said? I have back pain. I'm 32. Listen to me. I am 37 and I'm young as a bee.
Yeah, I'm as. Why aren't you getting old like me?
You're not old. Why are you saying that?
You got back pain?
You still looks like you're not even touched 20 years old. What are you saying?
I was saying because of my back.
Just because your back, just find out why is your back hurting you. You're young. Do you have any kids?
No.
No. And you're saying that you're old. Where? What? Oh man, fix that back pain and you'll be good again. Okay. 16 next time, okay? All right, blessed love and take care, all right? Yeah. Oh man, it's beautiful, beautiful people and everything, you know? Yeah. Ah, let's go.
Well, that's fine.
Yeah, man, bless up, man. Wow, look at this. Beautiful, look at this. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. United States Courthouse. Wow. Massive structure. There's going to be something over there. See, they're setting up and stuff like that. Whoa. Massive, there's a lot of movie them actually use this stretch in. Especially right over there. Wow. All right. So I'm going this side to close the video. Oh, so is either some press conference or something is gonna be here because there's like a lot of news teams and some of the roads are blocked off and stuff like that. And hey, this place is famous right here in the Massive. This is a famous spot because this is where they probably have a lot of conference and court and see that here is the Supreme Court. 60 Center Street. Yo, look at this. This is like in the movies, brother. Look at this. This is like in the movies. All the expensive babies them roll out. Look at that. Press, media, all sorts of people are right here. I don't know what is going to happen today, but somebody special should be coming out. Because all of these babies are out and them ready. I see News Nation, ABC, you have Pix, Media, Fox 5. You've got so much. Here you got i2 News. Whoa, something massive is gonna be out here today. I can tell that for sure. So many media. Wow. Can I ask you a question? Do you mind? What's going to be out here today? Like, oh, it's a trial. Which trial is that? You're not sure? Oh, man. I'm from Jamaica. It's my first time over here, so I have no clue. I just seen these things on TV. Yeah, so I'm a YouTuber. So it's my first time actually in America, and all of this is like digital to me. You know, like you're in the Matrix right now. Yeah, so massive as you can see. It's just crazy, yo. Oh my God. So from what I heard, it seems like there's going to be a big trial or something here. We're not sure whose trial it is or anything like that, but yeah. We only see it like this in the movies or on TV or on the news. I'm probably gonna have to ask one of these media persons here. I'm not sure. Oh, excuse me, you're preparing to go that? Ah, man. Okay. I'm great. I was just gonna ask you a question. Like, I normally just.
Oh, sorry, I'm on a tight deadline.
Oh yeah, sure. So you can continue doing what you're doing. Okay, no problem. No problem. Can I ask you a question? I just want to know what's happening.
Donald Trump's sons are testifying in a case.
Donald Trump's sons are testifying in a case.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay.
Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump were inside this New York City courthouse today on the witness stand testifying in a New York civil fraud trial. This is the second day that Don Jr. was on the witness stand, and he testified that he had no intimate knowledge of the finances of the Trump organization, that he left all of the details up to the experts in this matter, the accountants who were looking over all of the details for the Trump organization. And this is a sentiment that Eric Trump also echoed when he was on the witness stand. Of course, prosecutors want to be able to delve in and see just how much they knew about the financial operations of the company. In fact, they brought up emails that showed correspondence between the Trump children and accountants. And this, they believe, that they had intimate knowledge of the finances of the Trump organization. Remember that this is a case where the former president and his adult sons have already been found by the judge to have committed fraud, overvaluing their property so that they're able to get better insurance and also better bank rates. For this particular portion of the trial, the judge will ultimately determine culpability. Just how much money will they have to pay back to the state of New York, and will they be able to retain control of their company? So what do we see coming up next week? The former president, he's expected to take the stand on Monday. Then on Wednesday, Ivanka Trump is expected to take the stand. Abigail Burnett, Scripps News, New York. Light went out. Light went out.
It still looks good.
Okay, we got to do one more for safe, but we could tell them that one works, and I have to do one more for safe.
What was this one called?
Abigail looked like 2.0.
This is super cool.
Right at the end, so I'm sorry it took me so long. The light went out.
Massive, I'm not sure if you guys are catching that, but that was something superb to me, you know? That was the thing. Wow. That was mad thing. So the meat of the matter is that Donald Trump kids will be testifying today for some finance thing. I'm not gonna get into the meat of the matter with that, but I'm just here minding my own business, walking, looking, enjoying the scenery with all of you guys here. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. So massive, over there is the new World Trade. So they call it the One World Trade Center now. All right. You know that I have a tour of it, so yeah, that's where I'm at. Look, you can see the center camera right peeking through there. Yeah. This is so cool, man. Yeah. So this beautiful lady gave me the information. Wow. Wow. That is super cool. So massive, yeah. We've been out here for a while, and trust me, loads of news and media companies right now out here. And that's cool, you know what I mean? So we actually did not see it in a movie. Well, me, y'all still gonna be seeing it on TV and on YouTube. So yeah, no joke. Yeah, massive, I tell you, it has been great, it has been beautiful. Look good. See them, I'm gonna do it like them. Let me do it like them. With the building in the background, yeah. So when I see building, make sure I catch a building, you know. Yeah. So like, yeah, that I angle. So we're actually in Manhattan, and that's the United States Court. Donald Trump's sons will be actually on trial today for something. I'm not sure what it is. I'm just passing through and seeing what's going on back of me. You understand? So as you can see, there are a lot of news medias right there, and they're actually doing their job, what they're supposed to do, just like I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing right now. So I just want to say much love. I want to say much respect. I want to say big up to all of my people them. I want to big up 10th floor and the entire Queens massive. You don't know, big up Belly anywhere you're there. You don't know, how Belly Depan again? A Church Avenue or Jamaica Avenue? Which avenue Belly Depan? But yeah, Belly Depan one of them avenue there. So Belly, big up yourself anywhere you're there. 10th floor, big up yourself. You hear me G? Anywhere you're there. Big up 10th floor down to your shoes. Look good now man, I'm a general that man. The man say, yo, walk by Fina Timberland. You understand? The man also say, yo, walk by if you look good. You know the thing, gonna joke thing. So mad love, mad respect to all of my general and my die-hearted subscribers, them, everybody in the premiere. Yo, don't know, say Jamaica walk by love everybody, you understand? That is it. We're outside. Look good. Firing me there. You understand? We're over here in Manhattan. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. The walk from over the Brooklyn Bridge, from over the Brooklyn Bridge, so they reach over here in Gallatin. You understand? So blessed love. I hope me not left out nobody. You don't know. Me say me die-hearted supporters them and subscriber. If you're new to the channel, please me I beg you to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know, me keep on preaching it. Give the video a thumbs up, please. See that? One thumbs up. Yeah, make sure say you like it and think. You can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times if you like. That I would personally love if you comment more than once. Let's have a dialogue or something in the comment section so we can reason. My ear want to like and all of them something that's it. So yeah, so stay tuned. I don't know what we're going to do next. So you understand how the thing go. No joke. So and a joke thing massive. Look good now man. So blessed love, and the walking journey still continues as we go our next location to get our next video done. See? Mad love, mad respect. Woo! Far and sweet.